Are you tired of scrolling through endless make money online ads that promise huge returns but never deliver? What if I told you there are legitimate ways to earn £100 a day online, starting right now? Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a side hustle, there are real opportunities for you to make money from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 tried and true methods that can help you reach your goal of £100 a day. These are all things you can start immediately, with little to no investment. So, make sure you stay until the end to find the method that works best for you. 1. Copywriting with AI assistance. If you love writing and are looking for a way to make money online, copywriting might be the perfect fit for you. Copywriting is simply creating text that encourages people to take action, whether that's buying a product, signing up for a service, or clicking on a link. In 2025, copywriting has evolved with AI tools like CLU.ai. You don't even need to write all the content yourself. By using AI, you can quickly generate high-quality copy for emails, ads, website content, and more. Once you set up the AI, you can even create entire email sequences or ad scripts in just a couple of hours. Not only can you write for businesses, but you can also offer copywriting services to affiliate marketers, e-commerce stores, and content creators. The beauty of copywriting is that it's incredibly versatile, so you can create content for nearly any industry. For example, if you specialize in creating email campaigns for e-commerce businesses, they'll pay you for every successful campaign that drives sales. Here's how you can make £100 a day. Offer to write email packages for businesses. For example, you can charge £100 for a package of 10 emails, and if it only takes you 2 to 3 hours to generate those emails using AI, you've made £50 an hour. You can also expand to writing scripts for YouTube videos or Facebook ads. Many businesses are looking for writers who can create content that converts. With this, you can build a steady flow of clients and scale up your business. Start small, and once you've built up a client base, this can easily grow into a full-time job. 2. High-ticket sales. Next up is high-ticket sales. This side hustle allows you to make a lot of money in a short period, and it's something you can start today. High-ticket sales involve selling high-priced products, often ranging from £1,500 to £10,000. The great thing about high-ticket sales is that you get paid a percentage of each sale, which means your commission can be pretty substantial. The most exciting part is that you get to work directly with clients, offering personalized recommendations. Most products come with an attractive commission, so even if you close one sale, it could cover your daily target and then some. Depending on the business, you can even upsell customers, increasing your earnings with every call. To succeed, you'll need to take sales calls, where you'll discuss the product with potential buyers and convince them to purchase. On average, the commission is about 10% of the sale price, so if you sell a £5,000 product, you could earn £500 for just one sale. But it's not all about the sale itself. To succeed in high-ticket sales, you need to be charismatic and able to connect with people. You'll also need resilience because, in sales, you'll face a lot of rejection, and you'll need to keep going after each no. Sales is a numbers game, and those who succeed are those who don't give up easily. If you don't have the experience yet or don't feel confident enough to sell, you can start with an appointment setting, where you arrange calls for salespeople. For every successful appointment you set, you could earn a cut of the sale. 3. Video editing. If you're more of a creative person and enjoy working with video editing might be the ideal side hustle for you. Video editing is in high demand, especially with the rise of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Businesses, influencers, and content creators need help editing their videos to make them more engaging and professional. Video editing allows you to express creativity while making money. Whether you're editing vlogs, tutorials, or promotional videos, there's a high need for skilled editors. Even more so, as short-form video content continues to grow in popularity, brands and creators alike need talented editors to repurpose longer videos into bite-sized content for social media platforms. The great thing about video editing is that you don't need expensive software or equipment to get started. Basic editing tools will do the job, and you can always upgrade as you go. Depending on the type of videos you're editing, such as vlogs or documentaries, you can charge anywhere from £200 to £500 per project. For example, if you're editing vlogs, you can easily earn £100 a day by editing just one vlog. Vlog editing can take anywhere from 2 to 5 days, depending on the length and complexity of the video. But once you build your skills, you'll be able to take on more projects and increase your earnings. 4. Creating websites for businesses. Next, let's talk about creating websites. If you're looking for a business that doesn't require a lot of initial investment, building websites for businesses is a great option. With tools like Wix, WordPress, and Squarespace, you can build websites quickly without needing to know how to code. The key to making this a profitable business is focusing on small businesses or professionals who need an online presence but don't have the time or knowledge to create a website themselves. You can charge anywhere from £200 to £500 for a website, and if you take on multiple clients a month, you could easily make £100 a day. Not only is this a low-cost business to start, but it's also a highly scalable one. Once you've gained a few clients and built your portfolio, you can hire other developers or designers to assist you in creating websites, which will allow you to increase your project capacity and income. If you want to take it up a notch, consider offering custom websites that use AI to build the design, which will allow you to work quickly and efficiently. You can even start by outsourcing the technical parts to someone else, like a freelancer on Upwork, and just focus on getting the clients and managing the sales process. 5. Social media management. Finally, we have social media management. If you've been active on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you likely already know how important these platforms are for businesses to stay connected with their audience. Many companies are willing to pay someone to manage their accounts, creating posts, responding to messages, and increasing engagement. As a social media manager, you can start by helping small businesses or influencers with their social media strategy. The best part? You don't need a big budget to get started. All you need is a good understanding of content creation, branding, and engagement strategies. You can earn around £200 to £1,000 per month per client, depending on how many accounts you manage. By taking on a few clients, you could easily make £100 a day just by managing their social media presence. This is a great option if you're looking for a long-term business you can scale. Plus, as more businesses move their marketing efforts online, social media management is becoming a vital service. And that's it, 5 real ways to make £100 a day online. Whether you're into writing, sales, creative work, or managing social media, there's something for everyone on this list. The best part? You can start today with little to no investment. Remember, consistency is key. With the right tools, strategies, and mindset, you can start earning a steady income from these online businesses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and free resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.